Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advit. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about preschool worksheet. It's a daily practice worksheet. It is suitable for the age group of 2.5 years old kids till 4 years kids. So let's get started. So this is the first worksheet. These worksheets are really very interesting for the small kids to get them engaged. So first worksheet is about match the alphabets with the correct picture. The 2.5 years and the small kids love the colors and pictures, so it will be very easy to get them learn. Here are some alphabets: C, A, O, B, I, and here are the pictures related with these starting letters. So they have to match the letters with the pictures. You can use any picture like fruits, surrounding things, whatever they like, shapes. So if here is C, so they need to search what is for C, and here is the carrot, so they need to match C for carrot. A, so they will search what thing is start with the letter A for apple. Like orange, so orange is starting with O, so they need to match O with the orange. Banana, B for banana. I for ice cream. This is the second worksheet. So as I told all of you, the small kids love to color, love to draw, they love colors, so this worksheet is very interesting. What they have to do, I made some cloud. You can draw any picture whatever your kids like, and here are some colors with the numbers. If like pink color has 1, blue 4, like that I have written here some numbers. So they need to think, okay, 1, what color is for 1? Like pink. So they need to get a pink color and they need to color the 1 with pink. Like 2 is green, so they need to check, oh here it's 2, so they need to color the clouds with the green. Like that they need to color all the clouds. You can draw a ball, you can draw apple, you can draw what the kids like, and they need to check because that age group kids knows the numbers 1 to 10, and if kids are knowing numbers more than 1 to 10, you can give different numbers, and the color number and the cloud number they need to match, and they need to color with the same color. So it will be very interesting worksheet. So this is the third worksheet. Again a coloring worksheet and to learn the shapes. So what your kids need to do, I have drawn some shapes like circle, the common shape. You can draw the shapes whatever your kids know, like circle, square, star, heart, triangle, oval. You can draw balloons, you can draw whatever they knows. And what they have to do, color in the similar shape. So this sheet is for recognition and to color. Like if the shape is circle, so they need to check, okay, this is different, this is different, oh this is similar. So it's not about to learn the shapes, it's about to match the pattern also. Like is square, if kids doesn't know this is square also, but they will check, oh these are like the closed one with the 4 lines, so they need to check the shape with the 4 lines. Okay, so if color is pink, so what they will do, oh this is the circle, or they will tell mama this is the same like this. So you have to tell, you have to teach them, oh the shape is this, okay correct, and which color is this, they will tell pink, whatever the color mentioned. So they will check and they will take the color and then they will color, okay this is the circle, okay this is the square, they will check, here is the square, so they will color as the same. So this is how they will learn the coloring, this is how they will learn the shapes, and they will match. Okay, like odd one out you can make, okay these are the circle, okay these are the similar. Next sheet you can make which is not matching, that means the odd one out. This worksheet is again for them, like to enhance their hand-eye coordination. Like the kids of age group of 2, 3, 4, they love to scribble around. So till now they know how to connect the dots. So this is worksheet for the tracing. So what they will do, here I draw some pictures for their interest, so then they can start. I have to start from here, or what you can do, you can draw two pictures, like they need to connect. Like here also you can draw one car, and you have to say you have to connect this car to the another car, like that. So what they will do, here are some dots with some patterns, so they need to join, trace the lines. So this is very good worksheet to enhance their coordination, stability. These tracing lines will help them to write alphabets. It's very good worksheet for their concentration also. In next video, I will definitely tell you how by the tracing the lines they can write, they can draw. So this is again a very interesting worksheet. What they have to do, this is again for the identification, the shapes, objects, or any numbers. You can do this worksheet with the number as well. Like how inside one cloud I have made different shapes and apple. So they need to know, oh, circle all apples. So what they will check, okay, here is apple, one apple, they will circle it. Again, this is the similar object with the different, so they need to check and match. Okay, here is one more apple, so they will circle it. So all the apples they have to circle. Like next you can draw any objects, and you have to say circle all the orange, or circle all the triangle, circle all number 1, like that. Last worksheet, and what they have to do, I have drawn two pictures, one is big, one is small. You can give your kid either way. Circle the big object, so they need to check which object is bigger one. So here are two trees, this is bigger one, so they can circle it, or they can take it. Like they need to check, okay, this one is small, this one is big. So this worksheet will teach them the concept of big and small. This is big, this ice cream stick is big, this ball is big. So you can, next worksheet you can give like circle the small object, take the small object, or color this. This is up to you. Whatever your kids like the objects, you can draw them to make worksheet more interesting, so that they can learn in a fun manner. I hope you like this worksheet video. This worksheet are really good and useful for your toddlers to learn in a very fun manner. These worksheets are very colorful, so that it will be very easy to learn the concept of big and small, numbers, coloring, how to trace the lines. And if you want to download this worksheet, I will provide PDF link in the description below. For more such learning videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn with Advait. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.